G'day everyone, Wesley here from Trusted Pest Management, coming to you today from Salisbury, and we are doing a Coptotermes termite job. However, if you have Coptotermes, or if you find termites in your house and the pest controller's like, you've got Coptotermes, please, you have to take these little bastards seriously. They are difficult to get rid of. It is not easy. The first process of trying to get Coptotermes out, and I've always learned the hard way, would you believe, you need to bait them out first. You've got to try and eradicate that nest by baiting them or sucking them into a bait first and trying to get rid of the termites that way, and then do your termite barrier. I'm at a commercial building here in the poor building. They are in the ground level, first level and ceiling areas. They've been here a while, so I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We are going to be using a termite bait called eradicating termite bait, and this, because it's winter here, it's going to be a process. I reckon it's going to take 3 months. So anyway, we're going to get into it and hopefully show you something. Right, here is our setup: outground stations, eradicating filtered water, instructions, bucket to make it up, and that is our location. We'll get started. Right, there is our mud lead. So let's hope that these guys are doing their thing. So they're definitely active. There's one. And what we're going to do is put this over the top. Got our product there. I'm going to fiddle around with it, but that's what it's going to look like. Right, so we've got that set up. So I'm going to screw this. Going to screw that on, and it's going to stay there for a while. We have active Coptos. Where are you? There you are, there, and you can see I've put our station right there. So they're going to feed on that. Right, so we've got our box secure, we've got activity happening all through there. I'm going to come back in 3 weeks' time to check that. I'm going to take a photo. Boom. Anyway, that's an idea of how we do the baiting, but that's Coptotermes. Right, beautiful people, we are done. We've got 2 stations up for this Copto job. One there and one upstairs, which I filmed before, and we will be back in 2 to 3 weeks' time to come and check. It is winter, so it is going to take its time. However, that's why you use the best trusted pests. We have patience. Anyway, if you've got a termite issue, give us a call.